So the next one is overview. So first the straight line form. STRAI straight line form. What is the straight line form? AX plus BY plus C equal to 0. And the slope is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y, that is nothing but minus a by b. So this is the first one. So what is this one? The straight line form. The straight line form is nothing but ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and the slope equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is nothing but a minus a by b. And second one, if theta is equal to some angle, then slope equal to, that is m equal to slope, that is nothing but tan theta. So we say that inclination, theta is nothing but inclination or angle, then we have the formula slope equal to tan theta. And next one is that here the models are different forms of different forms. What are the different forms? The first one is slope intercept form. Slope intercept form, that is slope. What is that? Slope m equal to slope, we say that slope, and intercept is nothing but c. Therefore the formula is y equal to mx plus c. And second one is point slope form. Point slope form. What is the point? The point equal to x1 comma y1, and slope equal to m. Therefore what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Next, third one, 2 point form. That is nothing but what are the 2 points? x1 y1 and x2 y2 are the 2 points. Then the straight line is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Next, the fourth one is intercept form. What is that intercept? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1, that is x intercept is equal to x intercept, that is equal to a, and y intercept is equal to y intercept equal to b. And the fifth one is the x1 y1 and x2 y2. This is a note. Then slope equal to, that is slope equal to the m equal to call as the slope. What is the formula? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. These are the various forms of straight line. So first, what is the general equation of straight line? The straight line form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The slope is nothing but minus x coefficient by y coefficient, nothing but minus a by b. And theta is nothing but inclination, or it is called angle. Therefore the slope is equal to tan theta. And various forms of straight line. First one, slope intercept form, that is nothing but y is equal to mx plus c. What is that m? M is nothing but a slope and intercept is nothing but a c. Second one, point slope form. what is the point x1 y1 and slope equal to m, the formula is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. And next 2-point form. What are the 2 points? x1 y1 and x2 y2. So therefore the formula is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 into x minus x1. Next intercept form. What is the form of intercept? ax plus x by a plus b y by b is equal to 1. So therefore x intercept is a and y intercept is b. So finally, and the slope of 2 points x1 y1 and x2 y2 is, that is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. And next one, the next one is angle between of two lines. Angle between two lines. So therefore, what are the two lines? The two lines are line 1, that is line 1 L1, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, and line 2 nothing but a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So this is nothing but two lines are intersected. So this line 1 and this is line 2 are intersected. There exists a theta. So here we are writing as a cos theta. The formula is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square. So that means if the two lines are intersected, there must exist the angle. So we have various forms of angle, that is one is cos theta and one is a tan theta, but we have mainly used the cos theta, nothing but a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root of a1 square plus b1 square into root of a2 square plus b2 square. And next point of intersection. Point of intersection. That is, these two lines are intersected. This is L1 and L2. We need to find this x1 y1. So therefore, what is the formula here? x1 y1 equal to x1 y1, that is equal to, what is the formula? b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is x value, and y1 value equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So therefore, what is the point of intersection? The point of intersection is b1 c2 minus b2 c1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1, and the y value is equal to c1 a2 minus c2 a1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. And next one is parallel and perpendicular line. Parallel and perpendicular line. So equation of straight line, equation of line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. If this is a form, then that solution is parallel is nothing but ax plus by plus k equal to 0. So this is a parallel, and whenever if we do that, equation of line perpendicular to ax plus by plus c equal to 0, then this line is, what is the form? bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. we find the value of k, find the value of k. So therefore what we do that, we do find that a parallel and perpendicular line, if we have that this line is equation of line parallel to ax plus by plus c equal to 0, this is nothing but just we change the constant value. The constant value can be changed, that is plus k, ax plus by plus k equal to 0. So ax plus by, ax plus by. So whenever if we have a parallel, the ax plus by, ax plus by is same. Only what is the change? The change will be constant, and we find the k value. Similarly perpendicular, for perpendicular is nothing but reverse. A can be written as b and b can be written as minus a. So nothing but bx minus ay plus k equal to 0. From that find the k value. Next one, what is that? Distance of a point from a line. Distance of a point from a line, and this is nothing but the point. What is the point? x1 y1, and the line equal to ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So therefore what is the distance? The distance equal to, just we substitute that x equal to x1, nothing but ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. This is nothing but, this is a point x1 y1, and this is a line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So therefore we need to find the distance. So what is the formula? The formula is ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. And next one is distance between two parallel lines. Distance between two parallel lines. So that is nothing but, if this is a line ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0, and this is another line ax plus by plus c2 equal to 0. So parallel is nothing but ax plus by is same, and we need to find this distance d. So therefore the distance equal to, the formula is c2 minus c1 by root of a square plus b square modulus. Whenever if there is distance, it must be modulus, because the distance is always positive. So therefore here we find that the distance of a point from a line, nothing but ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Distance between two parallel lines, nothing but, so parallel nothing but both are same, ax plus by is same, only the difference is a constant. So therefore the formula is c2 minus c1 by root of a square plus b square. Okay.